A pileup of medical waste on the compound of Victoria Jubilee Hospital in Kingston is creating discomfort among staff members who did not want to speak on camera.
They fear the mound of waste could cause an emergency. We have the details in this report.
The bags are stored behind the maintenance department on the compound of the Victoria Jubilee Hospital. Red bags are used specifically to store items that are infectious, an indication to all that they should be handled with great care. Employees use huge carts to move them around. The bags contain linen glove gauzes and excreta that are soiled by bodily fluids. Sources at the hospital have told us that the pile of infectious materials have been sitting on the compound for weeks. They say the heap grows daily. The pile of medical waste just beyond this wall is beginning to create a stench, which for many employees is now a major concern. The opposition spokesman on health, Dr. Alfred Dawes, says the concerns must not be taken lightly.
The danger in having medical waste exposed to the elements, especially for prolonged periods of time, is that you may have leakage of these bodily fluids. When rain falls, it may soak through and contaminate the gutters and the surrounding areas. And you may have rodents that may infest, especially an urban area, getting into the medical waste. Dogs, cats, rats can all carry leptospirosis as well as other harmful diseases, and they can spread that to other animals and humans.
Dr. Dawes says the issue of insufficient incinerators must be addressed immediately to dispose infectious items in a timely manner.
Until we improve our capacity to handle medical waste, we are going to have bottlenecks with the main incinerator run by the Ministry of Health. And you're going to have a pileup of medical waste at public as well as private facilities. So this is a matter that should be treated with urgency.
When we contacted the Minister of Health about the matter, he said the waste will be carted away in 24 hours. Yannick Williams, TVJ News.